Today we're making a creamy sauce for lobster ravioli. You start by sweating onions in a skillet, just until they're translucent and softened, and then add tomato paste. You cook the tomato with the onion until it's kind of browned and golden, fragrant, and add crushed red pepper flakes for spice. Vermouth is the key ingredient that gives the sauce its flavor. Just deglaze the pan and then season with salt and pepper. Pasta water has a little bit of starch and it gives the sauce body, and cream is the perfect finishing touch. You don't need a lot. Add the pasta back into the sauce and give it a few tosses. A little bit of parsley finishes. This is one of those quick and easy sauce recipes that you can make any night of the week. It takes about 10 minutes. Perfect.